This is Emma Hardie's Lift and Sculpt Firming Neck Treatment. How you're going to use this product is you're going to turn the product on and you're just going to squeeze a little bit of the product out like so and apply it to the neck area, like this. What this is going to do, it's going to instantly hydrate the skin. It's going to protect against tech neck. It's going to smooth out all those lines. And it also has a micro needling effect. This is actually going to help to boost collagen. You can do this morning and evening. If you have any product left on the skin, you could literally just blend this into the skin. And also, when you keep the roller ball turned off, you can actually use this as a massaging tool, so you can actually use this all over the face.